Alright, what's going on, guys and gals? This is Squishy here, and today we're going to be making drinks with Squishy, and we're going to show you how to make a red, white, and blue drink. Alright, so what you're going to need, you're going to need a little tequila, a rum, doesn't matter. You're going to need a little, these are going to be margaritas, daiquiri, whatever. I don't care, you can get some strawberry daiquiri margarita mixer. And you're going to get some of this blue shit right here. Blue Caraco. I don't know if I said that right. I got me a little jar to put my stuff in. I got me a shaker, my little hula shaker. I got that full of ice. I put the motherfucking ice in there. Right? See that? And I'm gonna get some of this mixer. Let me turn my light on. Alright, now we can see everything. So you're gonna get a little bit of this mixer. You're gonna pour it about halfway full. Let me do that shit right here. And a little more than halfway full, whatever. You're gonna pour that shit in here. Bada bing, bada boom. You're gonna get some of your tequila or rum, whatever your stuff is. I got me a little top of my shaker. The top of your shaker is approximately 1 ounce. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, man. Holy crap. Oh, party foul. Put that, and this will make 2 glasses. This is 2 glasses. So I'm going to put 1. There's 2. Damn, man. Keep spilling it everywhere. I've only drank 1 beer. I swear. Alright, there's 3. Usually you do about 1 in this. I do about 3. Now we're gonna find my top. Right there. We're gonna blend this stuff up. I don't want to be all loud and stuff, so I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Alright, so you can see here I already blended and everything like that, but it's still a little too runny, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw some more ice in it. Depending on how much alcohol you put in it, the alcohol helps break down everything. So if you put a little too much in it like I did, well, it's really not that much. You might need a little more ice in it to make it the consistency as you want. So I'm going to pause it again. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. It's blended real nice. A little thicker than what it was. Just FYI, if you guys never made these kind of drinks before, if it's to the point to where this will not mix, just go ahead and just add a bit more of a mixer in there, and you'll be good. So let's go ahead and pour some of this into my cup. So hard to do this. I'm trying to keep the camera straight and look at it at the same time. Oh, and I'm making a mess. That's alright. There we go. So I put a little bit of that in there. Now I'm gonna, oh yeah, I forgot about the whipped cream. I forgot to tell you all about the whipped cream. We're gonna put some whipped cream on top. A little bit of whipped cream. Let's get some of this blue shit. Hang on a minute, let me just put a little bit out there right here. Hopefully this doesn't go everywhere. I should have said about a ½ ounce of the blue stuff. Plus all the stuff that's on my counter. So you can do as much as the, yeah, here we go. Now you see the cool effects. You can do as much of the blue Caraco as you want to, depending on what you want it to look like. See, there's that effect. And then that's pretty much it. So you got the red, white, and blue. And then what I like to do, I like to take 1 more ounce of my drink. It's about 1 ounce. And I will give myself a floater. Kind of ruins the effect on the whipped cream, so just keep that in mind when you're doing an extra little bit. But that's it! Making mixed drinks with Squishy. That's a red, white, and blue margarita. Daiquiri, I don't know. I don't make drinks, I don't know the freaking difference, okay? Okay, people, it's a margarita. I don't know, it's a margarita. So yeah, if you guys got any questions, make sure you don't post them, because I have no idea what I'm doing. This is Squishy, I'm out of here.